Educational Insights Kanoodle 3D Brain Teaser Puzzle Game, featuring 200 challenges, stocking stuffer, gift for ages 7+. The Educational Insights Kanoodle 3D Brain Teaser Puzzle Game is a captivating and brain-challenging toy that offers endless fun for both kids and adults. Let's break down its features. Benefits. Spatial reasoning and problem solving. Kanoodle encourages spatial reasoning, critical thinking, and strategic skills. It's an excellent way to engage young minds. Compact and portable. The game is compact, making it perfect for on-the-go entertainment. Toss it in your bag or keep it handy for waiting periods. 200 challenges, with a variety of puzzles, it keeps players engaged and motivated to solve each one. Creative fun. Construct 2D and 3D puzzles by twisting and arranging the pieces. Drawbacks. Answers not included. The packet doesn't provide answers, but there's a helpful sticker inside the lid showing how to stack the pieces for easy storage. One rolling piece. Be cautious with one piece that might roll away on uneven surfaces. Overall, customers appreciate its versatility, whether it's used in classrooms, during travel, or as a quiet activity at home. The compact design and engaging challenges make it a hit for all ages. Price: $9.99.